Our first step in the graphic method is to let the g alone. Here we did it, but as you see we have the g negative, so what we do is change the signs. The next step is that we need to add values to x. Here we use easy numbers, 1, 0, and minus 1, and the other one, 1, 0, and minus 1, the same ones. So what we did was substitute 1 in here, give us 2, 0 next, give us minus 1 in here, give us minus 4. And in this one, 1 in this one, give us 6, 0 in this equation, give us 1, and minus 1 in this equation, give us minus 4. The next step is pretty easy. We just need to graphic these points. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. And then we get together this point, making a line. Then exact same thing with this one. 1, 6, 0, 1, minus 1, 4. And we made another line. As you can see, the lines got together in this point, and this will be our answer. Making x equals to minus 1 and y equals to minus 4, because the intersection point is minus 1, comma, minus 4. Now we will use the same equation but with the substitution method. Now what we need to do is we need to substitute one variable from the equation, and we choose g, but if you see is negative the same way as the other, so we did the same. We change the signs. Now that we have the value of g, we need to substitute it on the second equation that we have it here, and here we have it solved. Now what we need to do is we need to pass the numbers with not variables to this side. So it will be 5x minus 3x equals minus 1. Since here is positive, it becomes negative, minus 1. So we solve it. 2x equals minus 2. So x will give us minus 2. Pass this dividing, divide by 2. So x will be minus 1. Then we only need to substitute the value of x in the y. So here we have it. Y equals minus 1 times 3 minus 3, and then y equals minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So our answers will be x equals minus 1 and y equals minus 4. The same answers that we got with the other method. Now we will do the addition and subtraction method. We will use the same equation, but we need to be able to eliminate one variable. So we will multiply the first equation by minus 1. That will give us this result. As you see, you have plus g and minus g, so we eliminate these ones. 5x minus 3x, 2x equals minus 1, minus 2. Now we leave the x alone. If this is multiplying, we pass it dividing. So it will be minus 2 divided by 2, which will give us x equals minus 1. Now that we have the value of x, we need to leave the y alone. So we will leave it alone. G equals 1 minus 3x, but since this is negative, we will do the same thing. We will change the signs. G equals minus 1 plus 3x. This will make things easier. So now we have g equals minus 1 plus 3 times minus 1. That is x. That is our result. So g will be equal minus 1 minus 3, and y will be equal to minus 4. So now our answer will be x equal minus 1 and y equals minus 4. The same result that we have got with all the methods.